All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol BNGO, Bionano Genomics Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And as we jump into this chart, I just want to quickly announce that I have a Twitter account now. You can follow me on Twitter. The link is down below in the description. And stay tuned till the end of this video because I have a new ticker symbol to share with you guys. In my previous videos, if you're a first-time viewer, you guys are going to get this right up front. I've talked about WBA and I've also talked about ALGM. I have a new ticker symbol today, so stay tuned till the end of this video for you guys to get that update, to add it to your watch list and keep it on your radar. So BNGO has moved up, fallen down, and it's been hanging out within this area. Now, resistance and support didn't move by much, but the stock did. It's actually now in bearish territory. As I always say in all my previous videos, how resistance needs to be broken through. If not, the 50-day moving average will catch up to the price, giving leverage to the bears. We're in bearish territory. Now, the bulls are trying to pull up. Doesn't mean that they can't, but the bears have leverage with having the 50-day moving average there to their advantage. Now, I want every single investor to keep in mind that BNGO is actually, when you zoom out, recovering from the lows here of about 384, 383, right, at that point. And then it started to work itself back up, hitting highs here of about 637. I want every single investor to keep these two numbers in mind. The lowest point of the spectrum and the highest point for the next coming days and weeks. Now, the highest point reached in the bullish run was 724. You can write that down as well. Now, we're currently sitting at the 549 mark, and our 50-day moving average is slightly above it at 556. Super important number to keep in mind moving forward. Now, our support level here is 526. If that gets broken through, which is probably one of the second lowest or lowest points here in this sideways movement, because let's look here at this point right here, 524. It's a 2-cent difference. It's the second lowest point in this sideways movement, and if it gets broken through, the next point of reference to look at would be down here at 496, and then we have down here at 402. So the numbers get pretty broad as you go lower. So we want to watch carefully how this stock is reacting and doing if it breaks through this support. How quickly is it moving to newer lows and pulling away from the 50-day moving average? So 526 is very, very important to watch because the further down this goes, the deeper it's getting into bearish territory and breaking through this first bearish support level, because this is the first support level within bearish territory. It could signify that we're getting further away from the 50-day moving average in a downward direction. So that just gives more leverage to the bears. So we want to watch for that carefully. Now, there's some momentum building here. We could see that. And the 50-day moving average is slightly above it at 555. So the bulls definitely need to break through the 50-day moving average, turn it into support, and pull upwards to get into bullish territory. So that's very important. But for them to go ahead and confirm control and leverage over the chart, their first resistance level they need to break through to pull further away from the 50-day moving average in the upward direction and break through newer highs and new resistance levels is 592. They need to break through this. I want to emphasize that so that they can pull away from the 50-day moving average and get deeper into bullish territory, leaving it behind and recovering based off of that momentum. Very important for the bulls to break through this. Once they accomplish that, their next resistance level will be up here at 637. But before getting there, 592 needs to be broken through and turned into a support. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watched this video. So for those of you that have stayed to this point in the video to know which ticker symbol to add to their watch list, the ticker symbol to add to your watch list is LXRX. Now, I do want every single investor to get a little bit of background on this one. It's not the same as ALGM or WBA because those are stocks that have growth potential into the next coming weeks, months, and years due to different catalysts and their market. This stock is a little bit more speculative, and I wanted to share with you guys to watch it either if you're an experienced investor, new investor, or learning investor to understand how this type of stock reacts. So this stock is going to react due to news and an event that's coming up on Thursday. So on Thursday, you have a big event coming, and that should be one of the major catalysts moving this stock forward. Now, the stock has been moving up. I'm actually going to go ahead and pull it up here to kind of show it to you guys, and you guys will see what it is that I'm trying to say. So let's see if I can pull this up. Here we are. And it's a pharmaceutical company. As you can see, it ran up, then it dipped, and it's been bringing itself up in a pretty steady way. And there's been a slight consolidation forming here. So leading into Thursday, they have a big event coming. So you definitely want to watch how this reacts tomorrow. Moving into Thursday, it's going to be a big deal. And also moving into next week. So if you're an experienced investor, do your research, do your due diligence. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold. I'm just here to enlighten everyone on different stocks that they should watch and add to their radar to learn more about how different stocks react according to their market capitalization, news, and speculation and hype, and also their revenue or dividends, because not a single stock moves the same and every single stock moves for different reasons. So this is definitely one to learn from if you don't feel comfortable getting a position in. Again, I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold. The ticker symbol is LXRX. There is a lot to learn from this to see how it moves moving forward. Now, I'm not saying that it can't continue the catalyst moving forward weeks from now and months from now, but it has a big catalyst going into the end of this week because of the big event coming on Thursday, and it could have that catalyst move into the end of the week towards the beginning of next week. So it's going to be very, very interesting. Again, it's a speculative play, so definitely be careful on that. Do your due diligence, do your research, and you have the option to day trade it with paper trading, right? To learn more about that. Or, like I said, watch it from the sidelines and learn about how the stock behaves and why it's behaving the way it does. Because everything I show here in this channel is for you guys to learn as much as possible to become profitable investors and minimize losses. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.